of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 70s. Monday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Monday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Tuesday, partly sunny with a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. The forecast key messages for North and Central Texas. There is a low chance, 20 to 30% for isolated severe thunderstorms Thursday and Friday evenings for portions of Central and Northeast Texas. Thunderstorm chances will continue this weekend and early next week with some severe weather possible. Above normal temperatures will continue through next week, with daily highs largely remaining in the low 90s. The spotter information statement for North and Central Texas. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. The ultraviolet index forecast from May 15th is 4 or moderate. The current time is 11:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 55, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 11 a.m. DFW Airport, partly sunny, 83, dew point 71, relative humidity 67%, wind southwest at 9, pressure 29.72 inches and rising. Fort Worth Meacham, cloudy, 83, west at 9. Dallas Love Field, partly sunny, 84, southwest at 8. Arlington, mostly sunny, 84, south at 9. Denton, mostly sunny, 85, northwest at 9. Mineral Wells, cloudy, late, 45 at 9. Night, hour, 5 in the shop. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 70s. Monday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then partly sunny with a chance of showers. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s.
25 mile an hour to 40 mile an hour.